What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Kid Turn Up. First video, so stay tuned. I'm gonna start doing more video logs about my car. You know what I'm saying? I do music, all that other shit. You know what I'm saying? This is the studio where we in right now, as you can see. You know what I'm saying? But first video vlog that I'm gonna do, I got. Hold on, let me get this right. Indash for the whip. You know what I'm saying? Walmart bought, man. Nothing too exclusive. I just had to get something for the whip, man. I drive a 95 EG. You know what I'm saying? All the JDM fans, you know what time it is. Slow process that I'm doing. I haven't did nothing too crazy so far. It's bone stock. Ain't nothing crazy. It came with a radio already. Dual radio with it, but that shit's trash. So I'm taking it out, removing it, replacing it with the Indash. I was debating whether I wanted to put it in or not, but I am gonna put it in today. You feel me? But so far what I did to it, I just put a cold air intake on it. That's it. My theme on the car is gonna be blue. The car all white, but it's gonna be blue and shit like that. So yeah, stay tuned.
It's all the game, you know the name, yeah. Catch you up on the shit, let me get it, yeah. Catch you up on the shit, let me get it, yeah. Hopped into what the fuck is that? I mean, how my niggas ride strap. A couple serial numbers got scratched, but who really cares about that? I mean, how my niggas know I ride fast. I mean, buck 40 years sitting on the dash. I ain't going nowhere, yeah, I'm gon' last. All these other niggas, nah, they ain't gon' last. Whoa, KTU, know I be the realest. All these niggas talking dope shit, but you know that I kill it, eh? Bust it down like a bad transmission, eh? Bust it down, right, get with it, eh? If your man talking crazy, get hit, eh? Got them dirty sticks.
I just removed this. You know what I'm saying? Keep y'all up to speed. Just remove this shit out of here. Took this out. You know what I'm saying? No speakers are set up in it, except for the stock shit. But it's gonna be the new shit. You know what I mean? The new shit. Indash. Fresh out the box. All new shit, man. Indash. You know what I'm saying? Fresh. All this shit, man. That's what it's gonna look like up in there, you feel me? It's gonna look like, hey, excuse the beeping, hold on. Let me close this. Close the door. This is gonna look like flip up. You know what I'm saying? All this. This is gonna be like the first video too for a Honda too, cause I looked it up on YouTube. They ain't really got nothing up there for a Honda install, but I'm gonna do it. You know what I'm saying?
I keep a couple hundreds in the bank account, counting up grand. Oh yeah, it's all a game, the fucking team. Hey, you know we gon' eat. Oh yeah, I got your main squeeze up in the corner, counting this green. Oh yeah, I say, hey, nice to meet ya. This is just between us. Cuff her, then I fuck her, then I get back to the money, yeah. On my savage shit, rather chase a bag than a bitch. If a nigga talking reckless, he would get away.
Alright, so what I did was I unplugged it from like the main system so I can get like all my wires kind of like separated in this. Damn, and my battery about to die. Then I got these wires that I'm about to separate and fucking like already wire them together. That I'm gonna fucking tape everything together. So stay tuned. Matching wires. The brake control, I'm probably gonna wire that up with the yellow one, which is the power, the constant power. That way it'll be actively engaged whenever I'm riding around and want to watch movies. So, just watch.
Yeah. Ayy, gold on my neck, gold on my wrist. I am the modern day, keep sweat. All about money, all about check. Keep these pussies, niggas in check. Get in that talk, get in that guap. All of my niggas, you know we gon' flex. Serving these pussies, you know we up next. I am a beast, I am a dog. I am the nigga that's breaking the law. All about dogs, no taking no loss. I ain't worried about it, you know I'm a flaws. Solar gang nigga, we ain't gon' pause. I ain't worried about these lame niggas. Hesitate with this drink in me. New whip, paint still dripping. KTU, I do my thing on them. Skirt, switch lanes on them. Pussy niggas out the range on them. Cool, call me crazy. Still with the motto, fuck you, pay me. Pussy ass niggas can't fucking slay me. I ain't worried about it, all is gravy. All of these niggas, I know that they hating. Lame ass niggas.
Alright. So, you know what I'm saying? How to play with it. Hopefully. Everything should be A1. I didn't even put the face on, you feel me? Ooh, look at that. That shit got the backup camera and everything, rear camera. I think because it's actively engaged with the brake, so it's basically keeping the rear camera on. So I'm gonna turn this off, and that gonna fix. Remember, I put the brake detect and the brake control on that constant, so I gotta take that shit off. Alright, so I just got the yellow one. And the yellow, I took the brake detect and the brake control like off, and hopefully that worked. Cause it had the backup camera. I didn't even know that shit came with the backup camera. It's all good though. I ain't tripping. Technology, man. Oh man, I pulled it out. Fuck. So, good news and bad news is I ripped the fucking... I ripped the radio plug, but I don't really care because I don't listen to the radio, so I really don't care. I play my own music, feel me, off my phone. This is Bluetooth, so I'm about to wrap all this up and then slide it up in here and then really play with it. So, you know what I'm saying? Let me wrap all this up real quick.
Got the squad with me. Got the squad with me, squad with me. You know what I mean? I'm lighting up in the booth. Fuck the squad with me, squad with me. Yeah. Solar gang, you know the name, bitch. I'm spitting fire, propane. Young nigga strapped up with that money, counting racks. I dare a nigga, you can't take that from me. I be stunting with this money.
Feel me?
How I do, ayy, I be making moves. Kid turn up in this bitch, I'ma show you what the squad gon' do. Yeah, this is a freestyle. Watch a nigga